add new item. In add new product item definition, we will define our business products items. Only once we will add product name and ahead in workings. Added product names would be automatically appear in required places. Here for your guidance, I will add one item in this definition so that you can get idea how you will define your business items in this definition. In this definition we have two tabs. First is add item and the second is view all tab. View all tab is only the searching tab. You can search the added items and details of those items. In first main tab, we will fill the item details. In this definition, in this tab, we have first field is serial number field. Serial number field is automatic field. You don't need to define here anything. Next is status field. In status field, we have two switch buttons. One is active and the second is not active. For each item entry, you will choose active button. Let it in working. If you want to discontinue any item, then you can choose not active button to discontinue that item, because you can't delete the edit items. You can only make inactive that item. Next is date field. In date field, software always will pick current date. This field is editable. You can change the date as per your requirement. Next is item code. Item code field is automatic field. Software automatically will generate valid item code for each item. You don't need to choose here anything. Next is category field. In category field, you will choose category from the drop down. I choose my category IPG, which I defined in previous definition. Next is subcategory field. In subcategory field, I will choose subcategory from the drop down. I choose my scanners subcategory. Next is brand field. In brand field, I will choose my brand from the drop down. I choose my HB brand, which I defined in previous definition. Made. In made field, we will choose country of origin or made of product from the drop down. Suppose my made of product is Pakistan. Next is shortcode field. In this field, we will define shortcode of the item. Suppose my item shortcode is 009. Next is barcode field. In barcode field, you will add the barcode of the item. In case if you will not add any barcode, then software automatically consider the serial number as a barcode in this field. Next is description field. In description field, you will add the item name. Suppose my item name is scanner 1015. Next is minimum level. In this field, we can define the minimum stock level. Suppose my minimum stock level for the same item is 5. Maximum level. In maximum level field, you can define the maximum stock level for the same item. Suppose my maximum level for the same item is 10. These are optional fields, minimum and maximum. You can skip this as well, but if you will fill these details, then this will help you in ahead for some reports. Based on the software generating minimum stock level reports, which help you to check time by time to check the stock positions and which help you in order preparing. Next is unit of measurement. In unit of measurement field, you will add the unit of measurement of the item. Your unit of measurement can be pieces, kg, curtains, extra. Suppose here my unit of measurement is pieces. Next is purchase price field. In this field, we will add the purchase price of the same item. Suppose my item purchase price is 15,000. Next is retail price. Suppose its retail price is 18. Next is wholesale price. Wholesale, suppose it's 14 and distribution price is 12. Next is sale discount percentage. Here we can define the sale discount percentage for the same item, and this percentage automatically will call in next sale vouchers, but in that voucher this field would be the editable. You can edit this field. If you don't want to edit, then you can continue the as it is. Suppose at 16%. Next is purchase discount percentage. That's also 16%. Suppose sale discount percentage and purchase discount percentage, both fields are optional. If you don't want to fill this both fields, you can skip it. Next is tax ratio. If you want to fill this tax ratio, then can fill it, otherwise skip it. Tax exempt. If you want to choose the yes option, then choose yes button. If you don't want to go for the tax exemptions, then choose the no button. It's all up to you. Next is remarks field. Relevant to this item, you can remark here anything. Next is warehouse field. In this field, we will choose warehouse name from the drop down. Suppose my warehouse is Lahore warehouse, which I define in previous definition of warehouse. Next is opening quantity field. In this field, we will add the opening quantity of the same item. Suppose my opening quantity is 20. Next is cost field. In cost field, I will add the cost of the item at which I have the opening stock. Suppose my cost is 15,000 for the stock which I have opening quantity. Next is supplier field. In this field, I will choose the supplier for the same item. Now filling the same details, I will save this voucher, this definition with the help of save button, and can use the shortcut F10 as well. If I want to reset the same page, same definition, then I can use reset button or shortcut F5. Item lookup F2. If I want to check the already defined edit items, then I can use the item lookup F2. This is the extra facility in software that you can check either this item is already saved or not in the software.